The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Today is a day, it's an important day to move Abaco forward. But we're here in limbo 5 months. And if I was downwind, I will smell the smell of rotting bodies that been in this trailer for some 5 months. Right there, no lock on it, no lock, no security. And this is what we got right inside here. A bunch of rotting bodies right here in this trailer. And that is so sad for Abaco. You can see the flies. I don't know if you can see it on the videos, but I don't want to get too close because the smell is deafening. And I'm a little bit too close. I'm going to back off. But the flies are swarming. The reason the flies are swarming, as I back off away from that trailer, the smell of death. You know what, if to have loved ones, even for the personnel that work at the clinic, is so disrespectful for them because their life and health is at risk. To date, it's the 16th day of a new year, a new month, January 2020. These bodies start to be collected from the 3rd of September 2019. And we know what's going on with the power. Even on a good day, the power remains off. The power comes and goes, so that means the bodies are rotting and vet is pouring out of the trailer. So who is going to identify these rotting, decaying bodies that been decaying, thawing out, freezing up, thawing out, freezing up? Tonight, the Prime Minister responsible for this country, Darren Henfield, Minister of National or Flying Affairs, whatever you call it, I never can remember what he did because nobody pays attention to Darren anymore. And James Albury has been missing for over a month. James Albury just came on Western Air. He even refused to fly on Bahamas Air. He came on Western Air about 10 o'clock today. Run to the car before I could do a video of James Albury finally off the milk carton box, and he's in Marshaba. Everybody want to sit to the table. You know why they want to sit to the table? Because some foreign people are coming to the aid of Abaconian when the Bahamas government has collected in excess of $20 million cash. And to date, January the 16th, 2020, the government of the Bahamas have not spent $50 on no homes to prepare and repair. The schools, both schools, Central Abaco Primary and Abaco Central High, they haven't even had a contract issue. So how is people going to get back to some normalcy? You know what's an international disgrace, because I'm selling this international, and I want to ask country abroad, would you have put dead bodies, 80, 90 dead bodies, piled up on each other like a bunch of dead animals in America? If they were dead animals, somebody would have come to the rescue and give them a decent burial. These people died tragically September the 1st, 2019. And to date, the flies are all over that. That is what our Prime Minister, the most honorable Hubert Minnis, thinks about the dead. And if you cannot bury your dead, how could you take care of the living? The dead has no power. The government and the states refused to let the people, in the beginning, the Defense Force came up again, September 4th, when persons heard that their loved ones are in the trailer, they immediately come to confirm, reconfirm whether or not their loved ones is in this trailer. That's been there from September. The defense force pulled gun on people that just went through a hurricane. The defense force refused to let these people identify their people right there, right then. Time to identify. And they refused. And man, Jesus, you smell this smell. I gotta move off a little further. The smell is getting to me. So if the wind is blowing, look at this, people. If the wind is blowing out of the north, or that direction, and blow across here, that means the smell, what I can smell, is going into the clinic. All the EMS, the doctors, the nurse, everybody, health is in risk. I'm 50 feet away and the wind is blowing. I'm on the leeward side and the flies are darting. The smell is crazy. And the Prime Minister is coming in today. Darren Henfield is coming today. I'm calling and doing this video to send beyond the Bahamas somebody, some human rights organization will call our Prime Minister because they ain't listening to nobody in this country. While the flies are circling me, they might be think I dead. I got to get out of here because the flies are going crazy around my head. The flies are moving around me like bees. The bodies are decayed, redecayed because of the off and on of the electricity. The juice of the dead body is running out of the trailer. The flies is attacking it. The smell is unbelievable. I am not accustomed to smelling dead body. I took a chance, a risk to come here to do this video to send to the international community that here, 5 months later, everybody's health is at risk. And when the wind is blowing out the wrong direction, the smell is unbearable. How could the Prime Minister of this country, Darren Henfield, who's the minister responsible for international affairs, James Albury, who always is missing, the three-headed monsters has dropped the ball and continuously have dropped the ball on giving these people a decent, respectable burial. They died undignified and they're living or they're in a trailer like an animal locked up 5 months later, rotting like animals. And our government refuses to give these people some decent burial.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, the first thing I'm going to say is that this is really sad. You get what I'm saying to you? I just presented to you a video that shows of a person talking about what it is like at the place that is known as Abaco, that is in the Bahamas. You know, he's talking about it like what it is like after Hurricane Dorian had hit the Bahamas, and this is months after that the hurricane had hit the Bahamas. You get what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers? See me? The man said dead body smell same way there. This what had happened to the Bahamas is really a tragedy. It's really not something normal. You see me? Life changed. You see me? It's been months now me hear a person saying that them smell dead body everywhere. Months me hear people saying that them smell dead body everywhere. Viewers and subscribers, I can only imagine what the people that are there, you know, these people are going through right about now. Viewers and subscribers, I did videos back then about the whole Hurricane Dorian thing. You see what I'm saying to you? And I just try to keep my viewers and subscribers up to date and posted with what's going on within the Bahamas. You know what I mean? You know, with the whole Hurricane Dorian situation. You see me? Yeah. Alright, but this is where I'm going to leave it, yeah, viewers and subscribers. And you can let me know what you think about a situation like this, you know? Yeah, the person said that there's a trailer right there and you can smell, you know, the body. Like, yeah, this is not normal. You see me? Alright, But anyways, viewers and subscribers, my heart goes out to the people of Bahamas. I'm a hope and wish for the best for them. You know, I mean, in my point of view, I think it's going to take a long while before they recover from something like this. And I only pray and I hope that somehow, some way, them will pull through something like this. You see me? Believe me, this is not normal. Sometimes when one person loses them life, it is like a tragedy. And you know, it has been said that thousands of persons had lost their lives, you know, due to the whole Hurricane Dorian thing. You see me? Yeah, that's what it has said, that thousands. But anyways, you know, I'm gonna leave it right here, so. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, no big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.